Morning, today it's another awesome day. We arrived to Kalanse, which is the second biggest city in Socotra. There are lots of children and we're gonna take a boat to Shoab beach.
Yeah. You got a fish?
ايوه we got a fish.
Okay, you got a fish.
ماما كلها بس اللي
It's time for us to go to the boat. It's there. Oh, like a lady. Okay, we just arrived at the beautiful Shoab beach. We were just swimming with the dolphins. They were so close to us, it's so amazing. So there is a dead fish, a bunch of crabs and the bird. So it's time to go back. I guess we just got the fish. Another fish is coming. OMG, woo! It's a huge one, congrats. The boat trip is over and now I think it's time to get super awesome seafood. So there is a guy who's like super knowledgeable about seafood and it's actually the only guy who collects the seafood in here. This is Detwah Lagoon, which is super amazing because there is a lagoon and there is the whole wide beach on that side. Just met the fisherman who will show us all the seafood. This is the whale. Whale ribs. Hey!
It's nice.
Salam.
Hi guys.
We are getting our seafood plate now.
Seafood.
Whoa!
So we have
rice with mussel. Calamari. Calamari fried.
So we have
Okay.
This is the
calamari.
stingray.
Stingray.
It's very
Stingray.
good food.
So this plate of seafood was so amazing and we are full. We are going down to the lagoon to explore the marine life of it and probably eat some more of seafood in sashimi style. Oh, it's a big shell, wow.
So we need to eat it. Yes,
Tastes like scallop sashimi, really good. I bet it was an endemic species. Slow fish, no way. Amazing. This is
She drink water. She bite here.
No.
the sea urchin, the king of the meal.
Oh, that was.
Oh, it is good.
Yeah.
This guy is very dangerous. Stingray. You should never step on it. Oh my gosh! It's so huge! Oh wow!
Yeah, today many.
Amazing! So many things! It's so funny. Something we don't know what's the name.
It's a shell.
There is a crab, it's a very aggressive crab. Now we are going back to that cave to eat this thing. This is the scallop which we just caught from the lagoon. This is a truffle oil which I bought in Italy.
This red is from Russia, or this from Kenya.
From Kenya?
It's black.
Oh. I got it.
It's time to eat.
You have the best restaurant on Socotra.
Yeah, definitely.
Every day you want to come, I am ready.
It's time to go. Now we are going to the cave which is supposed to have human bones. It's another tree with the blood. Oh, look, it's falling out. It's like blood. Oh, this is the cave.
I think for you.
We can do it like this.
Ooh, hello. So how many years are these?
I think 300.
300.
Yes.
We'll see. Sounds strange.
With teeth.
Yeah.
This, I think this there.
Yeah.
Oh,
This leg, yeah.
yeah. It was a very interesting experience. I'm afraid of dead bodies. Yes. Now we have to go all the way down there.
We only have 20 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Let's go to the lagoon. Our guys are so unhappy because we spend so much time with these guys, but they are the best. So. We just had our sunset on the top of the hill near the Detwah Lagoon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos of Socotra.